In this video, I'm going to show you a new WhatsApp feature called chat themes. So here's how it works. Now for chats, we can change the chat color and the background, and we have a lot more options. To ensure that you have this feature, you need to go to the Play Store or App Store if you have an iPhone. And if there's an update, just update WhatsApp to get the latest version of the app. So once you open WhatsApp with the latest version, then click on the three dots which are on the top right. Then go to Settings. And here click on Chats. That's here. Here you'll find a new setting called Default Chat Theme. And if you click on this, it'll take us to this page. And here, similar to Instagram, we can change the chat color and the wallpaper, both. So here you can see all the options. And let's say I like this one. I can click on it. So this is a preview of how it looks. And at the bottom, we have some controls. We can change the chat color from the bottom left. So these are the different colors. As you can see, it has changed. And then we can change the brightness of the wallpaper by clicking on this button on the right. As you can see, the brightness is changing. And let's say if you like this, you can click on the tick that's on the top right. And it's done. So now let's see the changes. And here is how the chat looks with the new theme. And we can again customize it more. So I'll go back to settings. And at the bottom, we can change the chat color or upload a wallpaper of our own. So I'll click on chat color. Then I can change it from here. And if I want to upload my own wallpaper, I'll click on wallpaper. Then here they have some default ones. But if you don't like these, just click on choose from gallery. And now you can upload any picture from your gallery. So this is how it works. And if you want to know important privacy settings for WhatsApp, you can check out this video over here. That's it for today. Goodbye.